What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of the Solar Channel where I cover all things solar power. In today's video, we're going to cover something very big that Tesla just did. So the other day I went on to Tesla and I was looking to get a solar power quote, right? Some solar panels. So what it was letting you do is pick between the solar panels, and if you wanted to add the power wall, you can add a power wall. Now, it's not giving you the option to add a power wall. It's requiring you to actually add a power wall to your solar system. Let's check it out here. So I entered all my information. It's recommending that I get the 16 kilowatt solar panel kit, and it was also recommending me get 4 power walls, but I didn't want to get 4 power walls, right? So it's $32,800 in the solar panels, and then it's another $30,000 for 4 power walls. Now I can go down on the number of power walls that I can get, but it's not letting me cancel the power walls out entirely. So in 2 power walls, it would be $17,000. So the cash price would be $49,800. Another big thing that Tesla Solar is doing is changing their financing. So I was back and forth for a few weeks, right? Checking different companies, financing, all that, right? Seeing which would be the best way to go. So more or less I knew what the financing terms were. They were 0.99% for a term of 5 years, but now they changed that. Check that out. All right, so if I go to the order summary here, it's giving me the 16 kilowatt solar panels for $32,800 and the 2 power walls, which are required, which is $17,000. So cash price would be $49,800. Federal tax credit would be $12,948. Now let's kind of remember this number here. We'll get back to it, but remember this number, $12,948. So you can also get a tax credit or a credit from your energy company. So right here at CPS Energy, and I would get a $2,500 credit or rebate from my energy company. So after everything, all potential incentives, it would be $35,002, right? From the $49,800. So you see the estimated loan payment here. It'd be $392 a month. Loan after incentives, $263. So you would actually have to give $4,980 down for 120 months at 0.99% APR. Now the APR is not changing here. What's changing is a down payment. Up until a week ago, if you had good credit, it would be no money down, 0 money down, right? So here, your minimum down payment will round it up to $5,000. It'd be $5,000 for your down payment for 120 months. So 120 months is 10 years. Before, the term was 5 years. Yes, you can extend the term to 10 years, but the minimum term was 5 years. So look, we can go to customized payment and we'll get a little bit more details here. So we can give more money down to bring our monthly payment lower. So check this out. This is key right here. Tesla, really what they did is they flipped it. So again, up until a few weeks ago, what was happening is the way financing worked is, let's say you had this $263 payment. That's what you'd start off with. You wouldn't start off with $392. So you go with that payment for 18 months, I believe. And then after 18 months, after you file your taxes, you get that tax credit of $12,000 and change. And what they're assuming you're gonna do is put that whole $12,000 towards your loan. So if you put that $12,000 towards your loan, your payment would stay the same. It would stay $263. But if you didn't put that money towards your loan, now your payment would go up to $392. So again, what they did was flipped it. They're charging you right off the bat the full amount, the $49,800, right? So that's what you're paying on. So after 18 months, and you get that tax credit of $12,000 and change, again, they're banking on you making that payment towards your loan, and that would bring your new monthly payment down to $263. So I'm guessing the reason they did this was to make it more affordable as far as a monthly payment goes, stretching it from 5 years to 10 years, and also kind of being very transparent as far as your monthly payment, because what was happening before, again, is you started off for 18 months with a very low payment, whatever it was, right? Whatever plan you decided to go with, a few $100, $300-$400. But if you didn't make that tax credit payment, your payment would go up by $150-$200. So they're just pretty much flipping it, starting you off with a higher payment incentivizing you for making an extra payment of that tax credit. So $49,800 rounded up to $50,000, that's still a lot for solar panels, especially since it's not giving you the option for the Powerwall. You have to have the Powerwall in the system. Another thing Tesla Solar changed not too long ago is you were able to buy a Powerwall separately from the Tesla solar panel. So if you had solar with another company, you can just buy a Powerwall by itself. Now they don't let you do that. You have to have Tesla solar to have a Powerwall. Now they're making you buy the whole kit together. You can't buy one without the other. This is crazy. I was really looking forward to ordering Tesla solar, but now with the $5,000 down payment and also not giving you the option to opt out of the Powerwall, it's just really out of my reach. So this is something to think about before ordering Tesla solar. So if you want some information on DIY solar panel kits, check the link in my description. There you'll find everything you need for your new system. Plus the beauty part is you're gonna save thousands, if not tens of thousands. And on that same website, you can also find contractors to set it up for you and financing. And don't forget to check out my links from Amazon for cool solar power products. So I wanna thank you for watching. Check you on the next one.